Hello, this is Three Times the Magic. We are on our way on our family vacation for this year, and we're currently on our flight to Barcelona, where we will do a cruise, celebrity ascent, do a cruise to the Greek Isles, to Malta, and to Athens. And there we will stay also another 4 days. So we are happy to take you on our trip. Hello, we are in front of the ILUNION Bel Art Hotel in Barcelona. This is where we are staying for our cruise, so we will stay here 2 nights. But even then we will give you a small tour on how this hotel looks like, and also room tour, so you have all information you need. Next is a short room tour. It's the second time we are staying in this hotel, so let's quickly go into our room. We have a standard room for 3 persons, so you would see our double bed, and then the sofa is flipped into another 1 person's bed that Gabriella is staying in. Yes, there is a little bit of clutter in our room, so don't mind that. In general, it is a very modern room. That's why we wanted to stay here a second time. Nothing special, but clean, modern, and has all amenities. And after a good night of some rest, it was ready for breakfast. Let's quickly show you what you can have on the breakfast menu. You have a bit of everything, cold stuff, warm stuff, etc. And after that we filled our tummies, we were ready for a day in Barcelona. We are going to spend 1 full day, and we use GPS My City that has all our walks already planned out, so we use that to guide us through the city.
And we're going to the Safari Familia.
So we are in front of the Sagrada Familia, and this is where we will start our 4 hours in Barcelona. Why only 4 hours? Because we're doing a cruise, and this is our first day before we board our ship. So we will do 1 day in Barcelona. Let's take you on our tour, and we will show you what you can do in only 4 to 5 hours in Barcelona. And let's start with the Sagrada Familia. We just entered. We were like half an hour early before our time slot, but thanks to Gabriella we could get in. Yeah, a lot of detail on this church. Wow, I was not expecting it. We've seen it so many times from the outside, and it's actually the first time we're going inside to visit it, and it looks really impressive. So I'm happy to see, yeah, a lot of detail. Let's go explore.
Tutti roses.
Wow, it's really amazing with all the color palettes, like the windows you have. It's the mosaic. It's wow. I've been in so many churches, and this is like in a long time still a wow feeling when I was entering. So yeah, I'm happy that we are doing this, that we're inside here and seeing all of it. Now we are here looking for somewhere to drink, and Gabriella is playing with the bubbles, and yeah, I think it's a good start of our day. Then it was time for lunch. We could use some refreshing drinks when it was that hot, so we took our drinks and we ordered a cheese platter with Spanish cheeses, and some chips, and of course later on a croissant.
And hello. And this is structure.
This is croissant. Hi, so we are in front of the Mila house. This is a house also made by Gaudi. You can see it from all the nice architecture that it has, like the waves. It's very natural, and that's a bit his style. We don't have tickets to go inside, but it's very impressive to see like these kind of architectures in the street of Barcelona. That really is typical for this city. So we are currently at the Gracia Boulevard. It's a bit like the Champs-Élysées, but then in Barcelona, and we are in front of this Gaudi house, which is the Casa Batlló. I really would like a house like that. Could we just renovate our home to something like this? Because I really like this architecture. So we are at the Plaza de Catalunya. This is the heart of Barcelona, the heart of pigeons. It's a nice place. We should have brought the croissant for the pigeons. We are now in front of the Cathedral of Barcelona. It's very impressive. I like the Sagrada Familia better, but it's also very nice. I hope we can maybe have a look inside, because we haven't had the chance to light a candle, and we light a candle every trip we do, and we hadn't had the chance this time yet to do it. So actually I hope it's free of charge and we could visit it. I'm not sure. At least it's nice here. Ja.
Was is in this town?
We are at La Rambla, the main street of Barcelona, with a lot of things to eat. Normally some street artists that we will see. I was very much looking forward to this. Now it's very crowded, so I'm not sure what to think about it. It's very busy, the busiest part of the day so far, but let's see.
Thank you.
So this is the statue of Columbus. And normally we are at the seaside right now. I don't see the sea yet, but we should be there. So this is Columbus looking, I think, and the sea is towards there, looking towards his new destinations.
The stad in Columbus. We can always make a seaside.
I think we're in Paris, but no, we're still in Barcelona. This is the Arc de Triomphe. The Barcelona is at a beautiful square with I love these palm trees and this Mediterranean vibe and the sun. It's nice, but it's of course way smaller than the one in Paris. Just had something to drink, and the good news is Gabriela is asleep, so we decided to walk back. It was only 4 kilometers back to the hotel, so we decided to be a little bit sportive and walk everything back. Hello, we are in Taberna El Glob. It's like an authentic Spanish restaurant. You can. For her, we ordered some melon and the croquetas with ham. They unfortunately do not have fries, or it was not on the menu. We did not ask for them, so we thought, okay, she will have enough fries on the cruise, so it's okay to eat some fruit and some lovely croquetas. Do you like it, Gabriela?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we ordered the traditional seafood paella. And on top of that, we also ordered the sangria. What do we see? We see mussels and shrimps and rice. Maybe you want some rice too?
No.
No rice? Only melon? Only melon? Okay, it's fine. That was some really good paella. Like you hear actually the fire like sizzling or crackling. I don't know how you would say it. So it's really very fresh made, and it was really good. It was more fish than rice actually, and I was a bit surprised because normally you would think it's more rice and fish, but here's just like, where is the rice? I have so many fish in my plate. So it was very good because we had a seafood paella, and I really enjoyed it. In the meantime, Gabriela made something very special. I don't know if you want to see it. Gabriela, what are you making?
The hat and commentator.
Ah, a bowl to put something in it.
Yay.
Yay.
And hat.
A heart in it. Yes, that's very nice. No, the atmosphere is amazing. We almost finished our sangria. Seafood was good, paella was good. I would definitely recommend this place for sure.